there we have it, injector boss tidied up. We've still got to go over and just tidy a few little areas and bits and pieces up, but we're going to get to the bowl now and do that side. Okay, we're going in on the bowl side, and I've gone back to the big girl. So we're just going to shape here, try and keep it off the seats a little bit, and yeah, let's do it. So we have a little bit of core shift here. The actual bowl is a little bit that way, so that actually cuts under the seat a little bit, and this side actually bulges out. So we're just going to pull this wall square to the seat at least. Try not to put too much volume in here. And that's about as far as I'm going to chase that. So if we have a look, you'll see that core shift I was talking about. And when they've done the seats from the OEM, they tend to go straight down to the bottom of the seat, which creates this ugly step. I don't know why they do it. They should fan off at 75, 78 degrees off the bottom seat there. But yeah, there's not a lot we can do about that. You can continue to chase it, but what you're going to do is create a dead area. So I would say get the shape and then leave it where it is, where you're happy with it. Any more is just getting carried away. Now, I talked about doing the short turn. I'll show you how I do it again. We've done to basically about here through that side. How I like to do is we come in square to the seat and I get comfortable, and then I just start to lay it back slowly and slowly and slowly. And just watch me don't clip the chamber. And then have a feel. As I said, I like to feel it. And yeah, I need a little bit in this corner here. A little bit more. And that's not bad at all. I'll leave that. That's actually really good. So on to the next bowl. And again, same thing. It's this way slightly, so it actually drops under the seat. And I'll show you that with the ruler. So we kick it in. And you see how that angles out from the center line. It should be there, but it's over there. So we really don't want to take a lot off this wall because it's already got a fair bit of bias that way. And again, we're going to leave that there. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to just tidy that wall up a little bit more there. And short turn. So the feel, that side's perfect. This side needs a tiny little bit more there. Beautiful.